Hey, tubers. We got 2011 Mitsubishi Endeavor with a non-starting problem, and the code it gets is for the key. It says that the key is not recognized by the immobilizer. Okay, so what we have to do is we can take this key. All right, this is an aftermarket key, and think that maybe we can program it again, and maybe it will work, and this way we start the car. But usually it don't work like that. Usually it's a bad key. Usually you have to get next key. So I'm gonna try it anyway and see what happens. So ignition on. This is a little key programmer that we have here. Okay, it's very good also, and it's a okay, good. Okay, key program. All right, we're going for Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi Endeavor. Mitsubishi by vehicle, of course. Endeavor 11. Okay, what does it say? Key. It says key. Go. Okay. Turn ignition on. Alright, I had it on. Turn ignition on. Okay. Connection. It says program. Okay. Insert new key to ignition. Turn ignition on. Okay. Success. Total key on. You program the next key? No, I don't want to program the next key. And escape again. And let's see how it worked out. Ignition off. And it started. And it's nice. Alright, that was 2011 Mitsubishi Endeavor with the code for the key not being recognized by the immobilizer, and we programmed it back, and everything is working now. How long it's going to work, God knows. Only God knows how much life is in that little key. I think the problem is the key. It's just that maybe it's hard to say. It's hard to say why it lost the memory in the first place, and it's not clear whether the key was bad at some point and then all of a sudden became good again. I really don't know. The fact is that we took the key that used to start this car and it stopped starting this car, and we programmed it back to this car, and the car starts again. So that's the point of this little exercise, okay? And use this OTAC thing is very, very good. I recommend anyone, okay, who deals with the keys. This is not so old and not so expensive. Okay, if you like it, you know what to do, and subscribe, please.